Welcome everyone. Today we have this question to resolve. The question is, a father decided to give 20% of his monthly income to his 3 children as their monthly allowance. The eldest child got 45% of the allowance and the youngest got 25%. How much was the father's monthly income if the second child got 3,000 naira? Alright, let's circle out the basic facts here. 20% of the monthly income is to be shared among the 3 children. Alright, 45% of the 20% of the income goes to the eldest child, and then the youngest child got 25%. Right. So to begin with, we say, since we are calculating the father's monthly income, we said let his monthly income, father's income, equal to X. And it is 20% of this monthly income that is going to be shared among the 3 children. So 20% of X is equal to 20 over 100 multiplied by X, which will give us 1/5, equal to 1 over 5x. So it is this 1 over 5x that is going to be shared among the 3 children. So now let's have the 3 children as A, B, and C. This is the eldest, the second child, and the youngest of them. According to the question, 45% of the allowance was for the eldest child. So we have 45% of 1 over 5x, 1 over 5x, which will be equal to 45 over 100 multiplied by x over 5, which is the same thing as 1 over 5x. Okay. So we have 5 here 1, 5 here 9. 9 times x is 9x, and 100 times 1 is 100. Okay. The second child got 3,000 naira. Its own is direct. So 3,000 naira is for the second child. Alright? Then the third child got 25% of the 20% of the father's monthly income, which is going to be 25% of 1 over 5x. That is 1/5 of x. So we now have 25 over 100 multiplied by x over 5. 5 here 1, 5 here 5. So let's just leave it this way. 5 times x to give us 5x over 100 times 1 will give us 100. Alright, it will be easier for us this way. Now, the next step is to calculate the father's monthly income. You remember we said the father's monthly income should be X. And 20% of X is 1 over 5X. That is 1/5 of X. So these are the shares of the 3 children. So if we put everything together, it will be 20% of the father's monthly income. So we go this way. 9x over 100, x over 100 plus the one for B, the second child, 3,000 naira, plus the third child, that is the youngest, 5x over 100. Everything should give us 1 over 5x, which is the same thing as x over 5. Now we have an equation. Since we have an equation, we want to convert this to a straight line equation. We simply multiply through by 100. If we multiply everything, each of these terms, by 100, we are going to have 100 times 9x over 100 will give us 9x. Plus 100 times this will give us 300,000. 100 times 5x over 100 will give us 5x, equal to 100 times 1 over 5x will give us 100 or 100x over 5, which will be equal to 20x. At this point in time, we're going to collect the like terms. How do we go about that? Let's move all the x, the terms with x, to the other side of the equation and have it this way. 300,000 is equal to the 20x is already there. This is going to the other side of the equation, minus 9x. This is coming to the other side, minus 5x. So we now have 300,000 equal to 20x minus 9x will give us 11x. And 11x minus 5x will give us 6x. At this point, to find the value of x, we are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is equal to 6. So we have 300,000 over 6 equal to 6x over 6. This can go with this to give us s equal to 300,000 divided by 6. We have 6 here, 1, 6 here. We are going to have 5, which will be equal to 50,000. 50,000 naira as our final answer. And if you check the options we have there, option A goes with our answer. Therefore, option A is the correct one. Thank you for watching. If you are watching for the first time, please subscribe so you will be informed anytime a new video is uploaded on this platform. Thank you.